In this video, I will walk you through the Vivanchor Pet Pro Grooming Tool review to help you decide if this double-sided rake is the right choice for your dog. When comparing this to standard brushes, the standout contrast is the dual-sided design featuring a 9/17 teeth configuration. One side is built specifically for thinning and de-shedding, while the other side functions as an undercoat rake tailored for long hair and thick coats. This makes it a highly versatile option for owners of heavy shedders compared to a single-use slicker brush. Trade-offs are common in grooming gear, but this tool finds a balance between power and comfort. While some high-end professional rakes can be quite expensive, the Vivanchor is positioned as a budget-friendly alternative at around $14. The build features stainless steel bristles paired with an acrylonitrile butadiene styrene handle, including an ergonomic grip for better control during long grooming sessions. A major highlight in this review is the safety factor. Unlike older metal combs that can scratch skin, these teeth are designed to be gentle while effectively removing mats. It is especially useful for pets with dense fur that traps heat. If you're choosing between this and a standard comb, the 9/17 teeth layout provides a distinct advantage by allowing you to switch intensity based on the severity of the tangles. It is a solid mid-range contender for home maintenance. Thanks for watching the Vivanchor review. If this comparison helped you pick your next pet tool, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more pet care guides.